English made easy. Mastering the second conditional with might. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a fascinating area of English grammar. Specifically, we're looking at the second conditional with might. This concept might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. We're here to make it easy and fun. The second conditional in English is used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations in the present or future. It's generally formed with an if clause in the past tense, followed by a main clause using would, could, or might, plus base verb. For instance, if I had $1 million, I might buy a yacht. Here, we're imagining an unreal situation, having $1 million, and what might possibly happen in that case. In the world of conditionals, might plays a special role. It adds a sense of probability. When you use might in the second conditional, it suggests that the action in the main clause is a possible outcome, not a definite one. Here's a comparison to help you understand. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. This is a definite outcome. If I won the lottery, I might travel the world. This is a possible outcome. Let's dive into some examples so you can see how might works in the second conditional. 1. If it rained tomorrow, we might stay at home. 2. If I didn't have to work, I might go to the beach. 3. If she studied more, she might pass the test. Notice how each of these sentences suggests that the outcome is possible, but not guaranteed. Now, it's time to practice. Try forming your own second conditional sentences with might. Here are some prompts to get you started. 1. If I lived in Paris, I blank visit the Louvre every weekend. 2. If you stopped eating junk food, you blank feel healthier. 3. If we had a car, we blank go on a road trip. Mastering the second conditional with might can really help you express complex ideas in English. Practice is the key. Try using it in your daily conversations or writing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Remember, it's not just about getting the grammar right, but also about expressing possibility and imagining different scenarios. Keep practicing, and stay curious, language learners. See you in the next lesson.